Once again, here's Eminem.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to take a stand.
It's been a ride.
Everybody,
I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. And some of you might still be in that place, trying to get out. Follow me. I'll control it.
You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay 'em, but you don't take the sting out these words before I say 'em. Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing man. When I say I'm gonna do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me. So fuck the world, feed it beans. It's gassed up. Everything's stopping me. I'ma be what I set out to be. Without a doubt, undoubtedly. And all those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No ifs, ands, or buts. Don't try to ask him why. How can he? From infinite down to that last relapse album, he's still shit. Whether he's on salary, paid hourly, until he bows out or he just bows out of it. Whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like I'm fucking for Christmas. His gift is a curse. Forget the earth, he's got the urge to pull his from the dirt. The whole universe. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to take a stand. Take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand. Come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm. Whatever weather, cold or warm. Let you know that you're not alone. I'll give you feel like you and cut the crap. I shouldn't have to rhyme these words in the rhythm for you to know it's a rap. You said you was king, you lied through your teeth. For that, your feelings, instead of getting crowned, you're getting capped. And to the fans, I'll never let you down again, I'm back. I promise to never go back on that promise. In fact, let's be honest, at last, relapse CD was aired. Perhaps I ran in accents and hit the ground. Relax, I ain't going back to that now. All I'm trying to say is get back, click, clack, black. Cause I ain't playing around. There's a game called circling, I don't know how. I'm way too up to back down. But I think I'm still trying to figure this crap out. Thought I had it mapped out, but I guess I didn't. This fucking black cloud still follows me around, but it's time to exercise. These demons, these motherfuckers are doing jokes. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to take a stand. Take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand. Come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm. Whatever weather, cold or warm. Let you know that you're not alone. If you feel like you've been down the same, and I just can't keep living this way. So starting today, I'm breaking out of this cage. I'ma face my teeth, I'm waiting up. I'ma hold my ground, I'm heading up. Now I'm so fed up, time to put my life back together right now. It was my decision to get clean. I did it for me. Admittedly, I probably did it subliminally for you, so I could come back a brand new me. You helped see me through, and don't even realize what you did. Cause believe me, you